Revitalize your system herbal detox. Toxins. They are in the food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe, the synthetic substances we apply on our skin, even the intensity of sunshine we get every day. With our incessant intake of pollutants in today's time and age, is your body armored to withstand them? Ideally, our body synthesizes natural substances for its proper functions. When chemicals enter in our body, it releases natural stimuli to segregate the toxins, so they can be less harmful, although some actually enter the bloodstream and get stored in the cells of our body. Some of these toxins are excreted as urine, sweat, and bowel, making it absolutely necessary to keep the organs responsible for these healthy. Scientists still have to see the relationship between the mutation of cells that makes them go berserk and form cancers and free radicals. However, scientists and researchers agree that phytochemicals found in herbs help rid the body of accumulated toxins. Hence, this is where herbal detox comes into picture. Although detoxification comes in a variety of forms for different purposes, detox per se is cleansing the body of harmful substances that makes us feel constantly fatigued, obese, have a sluggish digestive system, easily allergic, respiratory ailments, and other health problems. Herbal detox help keep the sieving organs, kidney, liver, lungs, intestines, and lungs healthy and function better. Examples of herbs that may be used as part of your herbal detox are psyllium seed, a viscous fiber that provides a bulky feeling in the stomach and a laxative. It helps improve bowel movement. It's a good choice for your herbal detox needs since it's able to attract and absorb toxins. Milk thistle improves the liver's function by hastening protein synthesis and is considered an antioxidant that helps rid the body of damaging contaminants. Nettle is an herbal detox agent that has diuretic properties, but its other plant parts facilitate detoxification. The burdock root and seed has similar herbal detox properties as the nettle, but it's stronger and able to wash out toxin accumulations in the body. The dandelion root has herbal detox properties effective in cleansing the liver. It helps eliminate wastes and also works effectively on the kidneys. There are several detoxification programs available today. One that you should select is a program that cleanses the body of toxins and doesn't do otherwise. It is only by eliminating wastes and free radicals that vigor and energy are restored.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.